Hello everyone, welcome to DforDivya Kitchen. Let's make a very popular South Indian chicken fry today. For this recipe, I'm using 1 kilogram of chicken. The chicken was cut into medium pieces and thoroughly cleaned. To this chicken, add a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste. I'm adding a tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Mix and marinate the chicken with these spices. It's fully coated now. Cover this and refrigerate for 1 to 4 hours. Place a frying pan on high flame. Add coconut oil or cooking oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, add in the marinated chicken. Space the pieces apart. If the pan is small, fry in batches. After a minute, reduce the flame to medium. Now add a teaspoon of fennel seeds. This gives a nice aroma to the chicken. After 5 minutes, flip sides. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. For notifications, click the bell icon. Use the all option. When the chicken is almost done, add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. The total frying time should not exceed 10 to 12 minutes. If overcooked, the chicken will turn too dry. The chicken should be crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Once ready, remove the chicken using a strainer. Make sure the oil is well drained. Place the chicken pieces on a paper towel or napkin to remove excess oil. This can be a delicious appetizer, snack, or side dish. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Stay tuned for a new recipe video. Thank you.